too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video I'm giving a full review on these bundles. So if that is something that you would like to see, then definitely keep on watching. I'd like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video, and let's get into this box. So inside the box you get a bag of goodies, and inside of the bag of goodies you receive a wig cap, some lashes, some hair clips, and a hair scarf. And of course in the box you receive your hair. Now I received 2 bundles of 22 and 2 bundles of 24. This is Brazilian body wave extensions. This is wefted hair, and as you can see I didn't have any shedding. It does have a natural color, like a natural brown to it, and the hair did not have a chemical smell. First impression right out of the box, I feel like the hair has a lot of bounce to it. It's super soft, and I feel like you get a lot of hair for the amount of money. Like, look at these bundle sizes. So moving on to my hair, I just wanted you guys to see my braid pattern and also the net that I'm using. It's a super stretchy but very soft net, and I just sew that down to the perimeter of the braided area, and then I cut off the excess net. Okay, so with this hair, I did use the Adore Natural Black. It is a semi color. I did put that on there, and then I shampooed with the Kenya More, and I conditioned with the Aussie Moist conditioner. This hair is still very, very smooth and soft and bouncy, as you can see. I haven't had any issues as of yet. I also wanted you guys to see how thin this weft is. I love that because it's going to be great for flipping the hair over instead of cutting the weft and starting new. You guys know that I do check the reviews on the companies that I work with, and this one is no different. There was mixed reviews on YouTube, and on their website there were really raving reviews of happy customers. So of course, you know, I am putting it on the screen. All right, you guys, I just wanted to show you like how much coverage just one bundle gave me. Like, this is literally just one bundle. Like, I think I'm only gonna need one more bundle. I usually only use 2 bundles to begin with because I prefer the density of, you know, 2 bundles. That's more of a natural look opposed to having 3 or 4. Some people even get 6 bundles in their head. I don't know. But I did not double weft. Some people double weft and, you know, sew it in that way. I didn't double weft. I never double weft because I don't like such a thick density for my sew-ins. Like, I really don't think I'm gonna need 3 bundles. Wow. Look how long it is. Now, you guys know I'm gonna cut this. So let me stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this sewing, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am finally finished installing this hair. I only used 2 packs, and I have a little over 6 inches of weft left out of the second pack that I used. I think this is more than a good, like, I think you get a good amount of density with this. I used the 24-inch on the back half and the 22 at the top. I have to say, while working with this hair, it actually surprised me. When I first took it out of the package, it seemed so silky smooth. I didn't know if it was going to, blend with my texture of hair and how it was going to actually work. It was so soft, I thought it was going to be doll baby hair, to be honest. But it's turning out to be very soft, lightweight, fluffy, beautiful hair. And I've truly enjoyed working with this hair thus far. This is my first time working with this company, and actually the first time I've heard of this company. I haven't tried their wigs, of course. I've only tried their extensions that they sent to me, but I'm pretty happy with them. So far, so good. I just wanted you guys to see how this hair irons out. It's so pretty. So I just straightened my hair. The only thing I put on my hair is some heat protectant. Spray that again. I did reduce the heat on the iron to 390. Hopefully you guys can see that. I reduced it to 390. Y'all see this, right? My hair lays so flat when I use that braid pattern, and also from not using the weft doubled, it allows it to lay flatter. In my opinion, I just like it this way. So I'm gonna do this side and then I'll be back when I'm completely put together. The only thing I did was wrap my hair and, hop in the shower, do my makeup, and this is how it turns out. You see how flat that is? Ma'am. I can't express to you how happy I am with the results using this hair. I have to agree with the reviews online and not the reviews on YouTube. This hair is giving what it needs to give. I love it. I love it. I love that it is so super lightweight. I haven't had any issues in working with the hair. It does not shed. Actually, the only thing I was actually nervous about or afraid of was how the hair was going to, blend with my hair, because my hair is of a coarser texture, of course. So I wasn't sure how that was going to work, but y'all see, I mean, it blends right in. So that wasn't an issue at all. So I'm pretty happy. At night, I'm just going to wrap my hair as you saw me unwrap it. I'm going to wrap my hair at night, put my do-rag on to keep it in place, and then put my bonnet on, and that is how I'm taking care of it at night. And in the morning, just brush it down, put some leave-in conditioner on my leave-out if it feels dry, followed by some coconut oil, just a little bit goes a long way, and then just brush my hair. Like, that is all I'm doing. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. I hope this was helpful to you. I will leave all of the information in the description box down below, and until the next time, be loved.